Important topic that how to select the cheap website templates and hosting. Yes, this is one of the most demanding topic which you was asking about, that what kind of website templates and hosting we should select for our website. So we have reviewed at least 14 best top websites related to e-commerce and each and everything, and we discuss them in further our slides, as well as let's move towards those points which we have taken during the review of that topics and that websites. So first of all, that how we reviewed these website builders, and our review process was contained on these factors. We found almost 14 websites, popular websites builders. We sign them up by becoming their paying members, as well as we discuss them, and we use each tool to create a very basic and a small business website to understand that how the website is going to be work and what kind of functionality they are providing. So we evaluated ease of the use and features and customization option. We monitored their performance and their reliability as well. So let's move towards our comparison task. So comparison table exists on those 14 websites which we considered as the best websites, which providing the cheap templates and hosting, as well as their functionality is very good. So best picks was, there was a 3 best picks. One of them was Wix, second was Constant Contact, and third was GoDaddy Website Builder. In good we have Squarespace, Shopify, Card, and Xero. In average we found these websites Webflow, Guitar Builder, Adobe Builder, WebNode, and Webly. In below average we have found Google Sites and Web. These webs are basically outdated now, so we have this in the last of our list. So we are going to discuss today about the best picks. We will see their feature, their price, and each and everything. In Wix we will say that best premium website builder is Wix. In our list Wix is on the top because these are providing very cheap website templates and as well as hosting. And on number 2 we have Constant Contact, best all powered provider builder. And number 3 we have GoDaddy Website Builder, well known established brand. You know that they are providing their own hosting and domains as well. So let's move forward towards our very first and very best, Wix. So when we discuss Wix, we will include the feature Wix are providing. Editor basically is a very good drag and drop editor. Theme, yes, when we say that cheap website templates and hosting, themes they are providing 800 plus theme. Blog is also included, e-commerce option is also included, mobile app is also included, gallery is included, automatic backup is included, sport option is also included. So these basically the Wix editor and features included. Now let's move about plan and pricing. Basically you can start with different plan. Basically Wix is providing free plan as well as some paid plan. In free plans you can have very limited options. You cannot connect the domain, as well as your website URL will be remain as wix.com and your website. So basically in combo plan you will get a custom domain name, no ad, SSL certificate, and 3 GB of storage, and you will pay $14 per month. In $18 per month unlimited you get analytics, statistics, $300 ad voucher, and 10 GB of storage. In pro package you will get $23 per month, event calendar, logo maker, brand related social media images, and 20 GB of storage is also available in this. So this is a basically Wix plan. You can now get idea that what is Wix and what kind of feature they are providing and their plan plus. Also one of the best thing I will discuss with you, that they also provide a 14-day money back on all of their premium plans. So if you get some issues in 14 days, or if you are not going to be well with Wix, you will get your money back. Now let's move towards our second pick, which is Constant Contacts. Yes, this is a basically website option, building option, which favor those smart website builders, and these have a special functionality of AI, especially artificial intelligence option is included in this. What we liked about this is impressive free plan, free e-commerce, affordable, simple user interface. That is one of the best options you will get in this. What could be a better, we have no drag and drop data is available here, so you have a little bit knowledge of building website, and simplistic blogging interface is included. That could be a better if they work on that. So what about included editor, grid plus template, themes? Yes, when we select cheap website template and hosting, when we talk about that, we will talk about the themes. They have a selection of the process, AI builder, blog is included, e-commerce is included, mobile app is not included, gallery is included, automatic backup is also not included. Support option, yes, the support option of the constant is very good. You will get 24 by live chat. We have a issue with that. When we use support option, in that support option they respond very quickly, so we can say that their support option is very good, and they are in their help center, they are answering very quickly. Now let's talk about pricing and plans. Aside from its impressive free offering, Constant Contact has only one subscription plan. Yes, this is one of the best options. You will get that. It costs $10 per month. No other option is available. In $10 you will get each and everything they have. Their feature including SSL security, unlimited storage, products for e-commerce, email cost, and an extra $20 a month, which gives you 3 users as well as access to their email marketing services. Now let's talk about the third option and the most famous platform, which is GoDaddy website builder. Yes, you know that, you're very well aware of that. GoDaddy is one of the best leading hosting provider as well as website domain providing option they are going to give. So in GoDaddy website builder you will get 4 best thing which we have seen. Great free plan you will get, easy to use, fairly priced, and support and tutorial is included. Yes, this is the best thing, that supports and the tutorials, each and everything you want to discuss, you will get a tutorial related to that. So if you have any issue in using that, and if you have any problem regarding that, you can discuss that with tutorial, and you will get a complete idea and detail about this. So that are the 4 best things which GoDaddy is going to provide you. And when we talk about the selecting cheap website templates and hosting, so we can say that GoDaddy is one of those top website builder which providing you these facilities, and their pricing plan is also very easy to maintainable and easy to use. Now one of the most discussed thing about GoDaddy is that you have a great free plan. So if you are a new user and you want to learn something about that in start, you can use free plan. You will see each and everything, you will get tutorial as well in free plan, so that if you go with premium plan you will not face any issue. So the GoDaddy feature included, basically editor is available, and the best option is that you can drag and drop those things which you want in your website. Yes, the themes, 300 and plus themes, they are going to give you the templates, cheap website templates. We will call that these 300 plus website templates, cheap website templates is free for you, and hosting is also providing them. E-commerce, they are providing functionality. Mobile app, they are also providing. Gallery option is included. One of the best thing again, which is automatic backups, which they are providing in their services. Support option is available. Their support option is also a good. If you need anything, you can contact help center, they will provide you each and everything in that. Now let's talk about one of the most common factor which everyone is looking for, which is pricing and plans. GoDaddy has a free plan that come with a lot of services. This include email and social media marketing, PayPal payment, SSL security, and 24/7 support. But in basic plan you will get $9.9 custom domain and hosting is also provided. In standard plan you will get $14.99 per you have to give $14.99 per month, and in premium package you have to pay $19.99 per month, and you will get everything in premium package. In support level is a very good in this as well. Watching our video, please subscribe our channel for more videos and like that, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask in comment section. Thank you so much.